We all have day-to-day costs when doing business. Parking before an important meeting, coffee with a prospective customer, or just paying off your phone bill. When those transactions flow into Xero, you can use bank rules to categorize them automatically. Perfect for those regular transactions that don't need to be entered as an invoice. For example, you may have to regularly code transactions to parking expenses when you're reconciling the bank in Xero. To automate this going forward, just click on Create Rule. The payee's name is already pre-populated for you. But if you don't want to restrict it to an exact match, select the Any Text Field option and choose Contains the word parking. Now, so long as the word parking is somewhere in the transaction, the rule will take effect. And for something like parking, you may not want a new contact added to Xero for every parking company you end up using. Instead, you can have it all go to one generic contact to keep your contacts list nice and tidy. So just adjust this condition here to apply all your parking transactions to this one contact if that's what you want to do. Section 3 refers to allocating a fixed amount. That enables you to specify an exact dollar amount you want to allocate to an account code rather than by percentage of the transaction. Skip to Section 4 to apply 100% of the transaction to the automobile expenses account. You can also split the transaction by percentage to separate account codes if needed. Enter a standard description to be used on all your parking transactions, or leave that blank in the rule here if you want to enter your own unique description each time a parking transaction occurs. Under Section 6, Target a Bank Account, you can have this rule apply to all your bank accounts, so the rule isn't just limited to the bank account you're currently working in, if that's your preference. Parking is a good title for this rule, and finally, don't forget to save. To edit any existing rules, go to Manage Account and Bank Rules. Now, when your bank activity flows into Xero, parking transactions will be coded automatically, just like you set up in the rule. And the only thing left to do is simply click OK.